This used Maserati GranTurismo is priced at $40,000 today. Looks like the deal of a lifetime, right? A cheap ticket into the elite club of luxury car owners? It is not a deal. It is financial suicide. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why that glossy dream is a hidden trap designed to liquidate your bank account. Welcome to CarZen. You don't have to be wealthy to hear the growl of an Italian V8. You just need 40 grand and a little bit of misplaced faith. You see the car, I see the bill. You see the gleaming red paint, and I see your checking account bleeding out. This market is littered with financial time bombs. We've identified 4 cars that are the absolute worst offenders, the most destructive to your wallet. We'll expose 3 of them now, but the number 1 car, the worst criminal of all, is the most dangerous because it looks so cheap and so practical that it's simply irresistible. I'll reveal that car at the end, so don't go anywhere. 1. Maserati GranTurismo. Let's start with the Maserati GranTurismo, the car that was engineered specifically to empty pockets. Do you know what most buyers miss? The term oil change with Maserati is actually called a 30,000-mile inspection. Now for the ugly truth, an oil change here isn't $100. It's $1,500 at a certified dealer minimum. And what about those carbon ceramic brakes? A front-end job alone can easily cost over $4,000. Ready for the worst? A catastrophic failure of the shared Ferrari-Maserati cooling system is one ticket from $7,000 up to $21,500 for a full engine replacement. Before we move on to Aston Martin and its handcrafted electric gremlins, let's talk about the one thing no one ever mentions: insurance. I've done the research for you. You might be buying a car for $40,000, but insurance companies see a vehicle with a brand new replacement value of $150,000. That immediately puts you in a risk category you never budgeted for. 2. Aston Martin V08 Vantage. The trap here isn't the mechanics. It's the sheer bespoke nature of everything. Every single part is custom made, and every single part is expensive. A single taillight costs $2,500 per lamp. Why? Because that's the price of British distinction. 3. BMW M5 E60 V10 engine. Now we move on to what looks like the safe option, the older BMW M5 with the V10 engine, the E60. It's a German engineering marvel. It should be reliable, right? Wrong. The rod bearings, their failure is a certainty, not a possibility. The cost for preventative repair is $5,000. If it fails catastrophically, a new engine is $25,000. Don't let them fool you. This is not the safe choice. We've exposed the Maserati, the Aston, and the BMW M, but the number 1 car is the ultimate villain, a financial trap so insidious I've personally watched people go broke trying to keep it running. If this information has saved you $20,000 or more, show your support by hitting that subscribe button right now, because I'm here to give you the truth the dealer won't. Now let's expose the absolute worst cheap supercar trap of all. 4th Porsche Cayenne Turbo, 1st or 2nd generation. Shocking, right? It doesn't look like a supercar, and that, my friends, is the trap. It can be bought for just $15,000 today. It's practical and sporty. This makes it irresistibly tempting to the middle class, but it carries the exact same service costs as its more expensive Porsche siblings. Leaking coolant systems, PDC failures, automatic transmission failures, the combined cost of these issues can easily exceed $10,000 in a single year. You buy it for the price of an old used car, but you maintain it for the price of a brand new luxury vehicle. The bottom line is simple: do not buy a car you couldn't afford brand new. The purchase price is merely the entry fee. It is not the cost of ownership. What is the worst money trap car that I missed? Do you have a horror story? Tell me in the comments below. And in the next video, we're flipping the script. We'll talk about 5 timeless cars you can buy for under $10,000 that will actually last forever. Click the video on your screen now. Until then, stay smart.